Today, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a page in your Blogger website. This is incredibly useful if you want to keep certain content private or restrict access to specific posts for selected viewers only. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to blogger.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're accessing the correct blog if you manage multiple sites under one account. After logging in, look over to the left sidebar of your Blogger dashboard. Here you'll find several menu options for managing your site. Click on Layout. This section controls how different elements appear on your blog, including widgets and sidebars that enhance functionality. Within the Layout page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Sidebar Bottom. This is where you'll be adding a new feature to your site. Click on Add a Gadget. A pop-up window will appear with various widget options you can choose from. From the list of available gadgets, locate and click on HTML/JavaScript. This gadget allows you to insert custom code into your blog, which is exactly what we need for password protection. Before moving forward, ensure the toggle button next to show this widget is turned on. This step is crucial because if it's off, the widget won't appear on your site. Now comes the important part. In the content field, you'll need to paste some custom code. I have a ready-made code for you, but there are two things you must customize. First, find where it says My Password in the code and change it to whatever password you want to use. Second, locate the part that says tutoriallab0.blogpost.com and replace it with your actual blog post URL. Feel free to pause the video now to copy the code and make these changes carefully. Once you've copied and customized the code, paste it into the content field in the HTML/JavaScript gadget. Double-check that your password and URL are correct, then click Save. This locks in your settings and applies the password protection to your specified page. To see your changes in action, head back to the left sidebar and click on View Blog. This opens your live site in a new tab. Navigate to the page you password protected, and you should now see a password prompt appear. Try entering the password you set earlier to confirm everything is working properly. And there you have it. You've successfully added password protection to a page on your Blogger website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.